Hey all, it's great to have you back on Brandflix. I'm excited to guide you through the process of creating an impressive 3D effect in Illustrator. Let's dive into it. Here, I'm using Apple's Hello Text as a reference. Import the reference image and adjust the opacity to enhance stroke visibility. I have set it to 24. Now let's trace the text using Pen tool. Allowing corrections to shapes later. Choosing red color for visibility. The tracing is now complete. To maintain consistency, I am replicating colors from the reference image. Draw a circle using the ellipse tool. Here, picking yellow, then create a copy and choose another color. In this case, I am using red color for the second circle. Now we can delete the reference image. Select both circles and head over to Object, then Blend and Blending options. Here you will find three options: Smooth color, Specified steps and Specified distance. I am opting for Specified steps with a value of 1000 and clicking OK. Once again go to Object, Blend and Make. Now witness the creation of a beautiful gradient. Create two copies for later use. Next, select the first gradient and the text stroke. Again go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. Repeat this process for the other two strokes. Here the dark color appears at the starting point. To adjust this, click on the circle using the direct selection tool and send it to the back. The edges may not be smooth, so utilize the smooth tool from the tools. Clicking and dragging on the edges to achieve the smoothness. Yeah, we are nearly finished. For better visibility, I am adding a black background. Looks good. Now let's enhance it with a glow effect for depth. To do that, navigate to the Appearance panel, Effects, Stylize, Outer Glow. Adjust the values and colors according to your design. I am using light yellow for the glow. There we have it. We are done. Until next time, stay inspired. This is Arun from Brandflix signing off.